Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Hands Homeschooling YouTube channel. Alphabet P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. The sound for letter P is P, P. P, P, parrot. P, P, parrot. Let's learn more about parrots and other words starting with letter P. Let's start. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. P, P, parrot. There are lots of different types of parrots, like sulfur-crested cockatoo, rosy-faced lovebird, gala, budgerigar, cockatiel, eastern rosella, blue and yellow macaw. P is for parents. P is for parents. P, P, parents. P, P, parents. Many parrot parents spend their lives together. Let's repeat the sound for letter P and say with me, P, P, parents. P, P, parents. P is for peep. P is for peep. P, P, peep. P, P, peep. Can you see the parrot peeping out of its nest? P is for plants. P is for plants. Parrots eat different types of plants and vegetables. P, P, plants. P, P, plants. Soon little chicks start piping or hatching from the eggs. P is for play. P is for play. P, P, play. P, P, play. Happy young parrots love to play. P is for pretty. P is for pretty. Parrot feathers come in many shades of the rainbow, like scarlet macaw and green-winged macaw. They can be red, yellow, green, blue, and more. P is for purr. P is for purr. P, P, purr. P, P, purr. Noisy parrots make purring, squawking, and singing sounds. P is for perch. P is for perch. 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 Perch is an object where a bird alights after flying, means sit or settle after flying. Mostly it's a branch or it can be a horizontal bar. So parrots perch on branches. Their curly claws grip on tight. Let's repeat the sound for letter P and say with me, perch. Perch. P is for pals. P is for pals. 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 A group of parrots is called a pandemonium or a flock. That was all about parrots and letter P. Can you tell me now what words we have learned today? Okay, let's recall and say with me. P is for parrot. P is for parents. P is for piping. P is for play. P is for pals. P is for plants. P is for pretty. P is for purr. P is for perch. And P is for peep. Don't forget to subscribe Little Hands Homeschooling YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and share and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.